So if I've got a really long presentation, I want to break it up with some questions and word clouds, or I want to do a quiz at the end, I can use my Slido button on PowerPoint and then add in different slides with the questions. So you can see here, I've got one joining slide here, and then a word cloud which will come up and it will display in real time live which department you might work in. And let's get another one down the end. Here's another question. We've also got polls and quizzes, and I've finished this one with a quiz. You can see the trophy here where they can go through like a Kahoot and demonstrate their knowledge with a little leaderboard at the end. So how did I get that Slido button, the magical Slido button? Well, first of all, you need to go to your software center and you need to look for this Slido app. You might need to put it into the search bar and you'll need to install that app. Then when you go to the start menu, you'll be able to see Slido coming up here. And it's not going to do too much. It's just going to say you're all set. And it's going to basically just add that button into PowerPoint for you so that you can then create all of these interactions within your PowerPoint presentation to keep your students engaged and interacting.